Some parents are very concerned about, if I file a due process complaint, are the teachers going to take it out on my child? Are they going to get in trouble? No, your child's not going to be punished for going through a due process complaint.
This is why we go out of our way to be kind. We don't want to treat them like the enemy. Generally what happens is we actually calm things down. We know the process, we understand how to remove the kinks in the system, and we can help the child get the service they need.
The most important thing we'll need to see is the IEP, the Individualized Education Program. If you're looking to get that in place, we would need a medical diagnosis, any kind of therapy document, any evaluations that have been done either by the school or by outside doctors.
Any sort of communication that you've had with the district, any records of IEP or records of assessment. Those tend to be the most helpful. If you had a conversation, an informal conversation with somebody in the district, teacher or staff, that wasn't written down, that can still be used.
There are lots of attorneys out there. Things that you want to look for: their experience, their demeanor. Do they understand your child? Do they understand the issues that you're presenting?
Hire somebody that you like. Hire somebody that you get along with, that can work with you. Look for somebody who has experience with it. Look for someone who understands and has compassion and has some of the relationships with these schools.
So if you do decide to initiate a case with us, the amazing thing about the IDEA is that there would be no cost to you. What we do is we track our time, we have our hourly rates, but if we win, we send that bill to CCSD and they take care of it, and so there would be no cost to you as the parent in order to get the rights that your child deserves.
There may be some costs that the family might be responsible for if we need to print out paper exhibits and binders to get ready for the hearing. Expert costs are also something that the family would be responsible for. But our legal fees are not something that we would bill the family for.
So as a parent, it is possible that you will be required to come to a hearing and would testify on behalf of your child.
There will be witnesses, there will be evidence presented. Generally, your child's probably not going to be one of those witnesses. We may ask for, if the child has outside service providers, they need to come and testify. Teachers would have to testify, maybe the principal or a counselor. More than 95% of cases are able to reach a resolution before the hearing. Sometimes a new set of eyes might help with a reset. The school district has their own lawyer, and we're able to work lawyer to lawyer to try to reach a resolution.
You get results very quickly. Sometimes parents have been dealing with a problem for a year or more. It's not a lawsuit, it's just a complaint with the school that says we'd like to address these concerns.
A due process complaint is kind of considered a last resort, but if you're not getting the responses that you feel like are adequate for your child, sometimes the only way to kind of capture the attention and force the education system to be able to respond to your needs is to file a due process complaint. We're always happy to discuss with folks and maybe direct them and put them in the right direction.